Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a quick fix video for you guys. Now, if your iPhone screen is black, but it still is turned on, maybe it rings and you hear sound, and when you connect it to a power and everything, but doesn't work, its screen is black, you're gonna follow these steps. So you're gonna quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, one after another very quickly, and then hold on to the side button until you see the screen light up. So what you're gonna do is, again, press and quickly release volume up, volume down, and just keep on holding that side button until you can get the Apple logo to show up, and then let go, and that should fix your phone. Now, if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying it. It takes a couple tries to get this right. Again, the key thing here is to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this side button, which is going to force restart the phone and fix any software related issue causing that screen to go completely black but still works. So again, volume up and volume down very quickly, and then keep on holding that side button, and that should fix it. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.